Public safety is very important to all communities. We take that responsibility very seriously. We've made numbers of investments in our police force, as well as our courts, our prosecution, our attorneys that are our prosecutors. The millions of dollars that we've invested into the police force over the years, so we're continuing to invest.
The Chickasaw Nation and the support that we have from them has allowed us to continue to grow. Their contribution to law enforcement goes unmatched, in my opinion. They support us 100%. I've never once felt like they didn't.
Well, public safety is the concern of everyone. We've had to commit tens of millions of dollars to building up our criminal justice system, and we've done that. And more recently, our businesses contributed an additional $10 million. I mean, this is going to help hire more marshals, buy equipment. It's going to help us with our basic mission, which is to keep people safe.
What that $10 million means is that's uniformed marshals in their communities. We're going to see more marshals. It's phenomenal what Cherokee Nation Businesses has afforded us to be able to do here.
That investment will have an impact in communities. I mean, people will be able to see it. They'll see more marshals in their communities. And we believe in community policing, so there's going to be a really good relationship between the marshal on the front line and the community in which people live across our reservation. This investment, I think, is going to inure to the benefit of every single person living within the Cherokee Nation.
We have over 70 cooperative agreements with counties, municipalities, state organizations. We take those very seriously. We help each other out, so they can call on us and we can call on them to help keep the public safe in a number of different efforts. I think we work together pretty well as governmental entities.
It's incredibly important that we not only maintain these critical relationships that we have with the state, with our local agencies, with our county agencies, but also with our federal partners. So these relationships that we have are continuing to grow. Every day, me and my staff are working with those relationships around the 14 counties. That when 911's called, somebody in a uniform's coming to help you on your worst day.
When there's an emergency, you just want to make sure that you can count on someone to be there.
In any criminal justice system, there are going to be challenges, but we can work through those challenges if we're working together. I'm talking about sheriffs, I'm talking about district attorneys, I'm talking about people who are in positions like county commissioners and mayors. We're working with all of these folks to make sure that we all meet that basic obligation, which is to keep people safe.
The Cherokee Nation has the oldest law enforcement in the state of Oklahoma. We were a law enforcement entity before statehood. I'd like to tell people, I'm Cherokee. I'm also Oklahoman. I'm born and raised in Oklahoma. I'm also an American. Those things aren't at war with each other. I'm all those things. Our citizens are citizens of the tribe. They're citizens of the state of Oklahoma. They're citizens of the U.S. I believe going forward, it's critically important that people understand that we police our communities. We're in those communities. We're part of that community.
The public is safer when we work together.
Public safety is all that we care about. It is why we do what we do, and it is our driving force.
Oklahoma thrives together.